Okay, so last week we installed our Rugged Radio's 696 intercom and M1 radio in our new Can-Am Maverick. And this week I want to go through how to connect up your GoPro to your intercom so that all your communications inside the car are also recording with the video on your GoPro. So we installed the radio and intercom using a Rugged Radio's mount that goes right here above the tunnel and below the dash. You do have to cut a little bit of plastic to get this installed, but it's a fairly easy installation and it comes out pretty clean. You do relocate the start-stop button for the Can-Am right here. And we also decided to add on the Rugged Radio's comms button. What's nice about this is it's just one button to turn it on and off. And there you go, intercom and radio is on. End of the day, just click that back off and there's no draw at all on the batteries. So first thing you're going to need to get the output from the intercom out to the GoPro is one of these adapters. Again, this is a 696 intercom, so you use one of these plugs for the aux output, and it has a red and black 3.5 millimeter plug on them. The red is for GoPro. The black is for input into the system, like for music or whatever. And the part number is a CS Music-REC for record there. So we're just looking for output to the GoPro. So this piece on the left goes to the back of the 696 in the aux port, which is on the top driver's side of the intercom on the back. And this red cable here is going to go to your GoPro. The next thing you may need is an extender on the 3.5 millimeter cable, female on one end, male on the other. This just is going to extend it out in case your GoPro is farther away than the Rugged cable will reach. And then last but not least, you need a GoPro adapter. These things are kind of spendy. I think they're $50+. And what this does is it takes the audio input, which is the 3.5 millimeter jack, and takes it out to USB-C. And you can also connect in power to this. So you would power your GoPro as well for charging, which is kind of nice. So from behind the console there, I ran the cable down the tunnel here. And the Rugged Radio's cable ended just right back in this area. And then I put my extension on here, so I've got extra bonus cable in here to be able to move the GoPro around to different spots if I want. But I come up here to the GoPro. This is the GoPro adapter. Comes into the USB-C on the GoPro. And again, you can add a power cable to this as well, and your GoPro will charge at the same time. We are now in the car here. I've got the radio on, recording on the GoPro. So it's that simple. The only other thing you want to check is to make sure there's no engine noise. And if there is engine noise, you're going to need to get a noise filter on the 3.5 millimeter audio cable. And that usually takes care of it. But it's really super simple install. Now all your GoPro videos from in the car can have your voice overlaid on them, which is pretty cool.